Hi, this is John with WTI, and this is the apple juice that I was always drinking since I was a kid in my country. Like this much juice this apple much juice is always like a staple of mixing it with cocktails or just giving it to your kid. It's like they give you a wide and range and a huge variety in how to use it. But as just like drinking it. It's just the flavor is great. It's a soft, and it's out of the softest juice that I've tried in my whole time. So if you're just looking for a nice, simple, and subtle flavor, it's a good source of vitamin C, as it always stays. And it's low in sugar. It's just a drink. It's not going to give you an upset stomach. In my options or in my experience, I've never gotten none of it. And it's just a nice way to accompany with your food and anything that you eat. So I would just have a normal drink in my room as I work from home, as I don't go out that much, and I just want to have a nice drink. This one is a great one. So this was John with WATI, and that was my point of view.